Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing data and reducing immediate load. Back up critical files, then close battery-draining apps and disconnect extra devices. Open Task Manager to end unneeded processes and run disk cleanup to remove temporary files and system cache. Make sure you free at least 15% of the drive so Windows 7 can manage virtual memory. Once done, restart the laptop to let baseline services restart cleanly. This prepares the system for deeper optimizations in the next steps. Now you move to deeper fixes that reduce background load. Open msconfig and disable non-essential startup entries so boot and runtime strain drop. Make careful choices and leave antivirus enabled. Then update key drivers, chipset, graphics, storage, through Device Manager or manufacturer's installers to resolve slow I/O and display lag. Next, under System Advanced System Settings, set visual effects to adjust for best performance so Windows stops rendering expensive animations. Finish by repairing file system issues and applying updates. Run chkdsk to fix disk errors and install all pending Windows updates, then reboot. If lag remains, consider hardware upgrades. Adding RAM or replacing the HDD with an SSD gives the biggest real-world boost. Make sure to test in safe mode to see if third-party software causes the slowdown. If it runs smoothly there, use System Restore or selectively uninstall recent programs. Key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, boot from Rescue Media to scan for malware or failing hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.